I bought 6 of Amazon's top steam cleaners and vacuums to find out which ones actually clean. First up, the Shark Steam Mop S1000, built for sealed hard floors with 2 dirt grip pads. Setup was fast, heats up in under 30 seconds. On sticky kitchen tile it cut through grime without any residue. My one gripe, the water tank is small, so you'll be refilling often on bigger spaces. For a quick daily clean on sealed floors, though, this one's solid. Next, the Bissell PowerClean FurGuard, a 280-watt cordless vacuum that stands on its own without a dock. It pulled up pet hair from my rug in one pass, and the self-standing design is genuinely handy for quick pauses. Downside, battery life dipped noticeably on max power after about 15 minutes. Great for quick cleanups, less ideal for whole house deep cleans. The Bissell Little Green is a small portable carpet and upholstery cleaner. On a set in coffee stain, it lifted most of the color in 2 passes, impressive for something this compact. It's not built for whole rooms, though, this is strictly a spot cleaner. If you've got kids, pets, or wine spills, it's a smart backup tool to own. This 10-in-1 handheld steamer detaches from its mop base to tackle countertops, windows, and even fabric. The versatility is the big selling point here, one machine doing several jobs. That said, build quality felt a bit more plasticky than the others, and steam output was weaker on the handheld attachment specifically. Good multitasker, not the most powerful. The McCulloch MC1385 comes with 23 accessories and is built specifically for grout and tile. On bathroom grout that hadn't been deep cleaned in months, it genuinely worked, no scrubbing needed. It's heavier and bulkier than the mops on this list, so it's more of a deep clean tool than a daily use one. If grout is your enemy, this is the pick. Last up, the McCulloch MC1275, heavy duty with a 45-minute runtime and 18 accessories. This one just kept going, no refill breaks, and handled everything from floors to upholstery. It's the priciest and bulkiest option here, so it's overkill if you just need light touch-ups. But for serious deep cleaning sessions, the runtime alone makes it worth considering.
Subscribe.